A walk to heal the soul. Come with me on a walk in nature. I laced up my boots, wrapped myself in layers, and stepped onto the snowy trail. The air was crisp, each breath like a fresh start. Every step crunched beneath me, grounding me, reminding me that I was here, in this moment, alive. I stopped by the river, mesmerized by the sound of water carving its path under the frozen surface. It felt like a metaphor for life. There's always movement, even when everything feels frozen still. The melody of nature surrounded me, the chatter of birds, the rustle of branches in the breeze. Each sound soothed my mind, like nature's own lullaby, reminding me I wasn't alone. This walk wasn't just for my body, it was for my soul. Walking in nature does something no therapy session or medication can replicate. It quiets the noise in my head. It slows my racing thoughts. It reminds me that healing doesn't always come in big, dramatic moments. Sometimes it's in the simple act of putting one foot in front of the other. I've learned that a walk in nature isn't just exercise, it's medicine, for my mind, for my heart, for my spirit, and every step I take is a step toward peace. Take a walk, heal your soul. Your mind deserves the same care as your body. Please follow me, like, and subscribe to enable me to bring great content to you all. Thank you.